How to knotless gathers boss braid with coiling ends. And the hair we are using today is features braid. The coil type is water wave. So this is how it comes like, and I'm going to show you a crochet method. So the hair comes just like this in one, but I section the one in three. Again, in this video I've sectioned it in three. So we take our crochet needle, go through the hair, and you loop the hair on the crochet needle, you bring it out. This method is a crochet method. Again, if you want me to show you how to do this same gathers braiding, comment in this comment section. I'll be happy to do the video. Okay, so we continue crocheting. I crocheted in one hair in three different braid, so it does not come out. Again, you can do what works for you. This method, it does not show any lumps, as you can see on the hair. It just looks very nice and smooth. So this method works great. You can see, you will not even notice where I added gathers braid on the hair. So yes, I wanted to show you how to do gathers boss braid on a knotless braid. Again, if you want me to show you how I did this knotless braid, comment in the comment section below. And also I do have a video, so make sure to go watch that video. So the next, to get a coiling end, we put it in a hot water. Also, I do have a video that I show you how to achieve any type of coil that you want. I show you three type of coil that you can do with expression hair. If you haven't watched that video, please go watch this video. I wanted to make it short and quick in this video, so I cut this place that I tie the hair, and I'm going to bring the braids all out. If you want to watch step by step, I have a video. You can go and watch that video. And yeah, this is how our gathers knotless braid is looking like. It's all nice. It gets better. Yes, hello, it's your girl Fine Hair. Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time, please like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section. I would like to welcome you to the family. Okay, so this is how this gathers boss braid looks like. Again, it's a crochet method. I'm happy, my sister is happy, we are all happy. Okay, so anyway, to maintain this braid, you need to have your bonnet, and also you need to have a silky pillowcase in case your bonnet fall out. For those that might be asking, how do you maintain it? If you don't know how to maintain it, it would not take time and the coils will be all tangled up. So to avoid that, you need to maintain it. Again, watch till the end, because I'm going to show you how you can oil your scalp. If you're a dry scalp, I'm going to show you how to oil it, and a little quantity of oil that you will need. Here is what we are using. Again, she made this great oil. This oil was popping. Okay, anyway, so yeah, you see the amount that I use, very small, and you go through your scalp. You don't want to put too much, and if you is oily scalp, please do not add any oil. If not, it will clog your hair, and we do not want that. Okay, so this is how to do gathers knotless boss braid. If you have any question, feel free to comment in the comment section and let me know any hair video that you would like me to do. Okay, family, it gets better.